Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started.
So today we are going to see how to play multiple Roblox accounts at the same time in a PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. If you're currently using the Roblox app, then what you need to do is head to the web browser. Here I'm going to go and click on the web browser Chrome, and then make sure that the other account is also there as the friend. Then by pressing the three lines, go to the friend's account, and then you can see that the friend account is showing up. Then we can go and click on it and press join at the top. If you haven't gotten the classic Roblox launcher, that's going to go and install and download it. Now alternatively, if you're using a Roblox site, then what you can do is download it from the Microsoft Store. Here it is. You can now click on it and download. Then log into the account and start playing.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.